Convert the mixed number to a decimal. Here we have 4 and 1/8, which we know is 4 plus 1/8. So to make a decimal, we already have the 4, and then it's going to be point whatever the 1/8 is in a decimal form. I'm going to show you how to do this by hand, and then I'll show you the calculator method after. So we're going to do 8 divided into 1. That's really what 1/8 means. And we know 8 doesn't go into 1, so I'm going to create a decimal point situation like that. So now we're going to kind of do 8 into 10, and that goes 1. And 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, and you get 2. I'm going to bring down another 0. 8 goes into 20 twice. Then 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract and get 4. I'm going to bring down another 0. And we're going to keep going with these zeros until we find out whether we get a repeating decimal or a terminating decimal. So bring down this 0. 8 into 40, that's 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract and you get 0. Okay, remainder 0, it's a terminating decimal. It's 1.25. So what you get here is 4 plus 0.125, which is 4.125. Okay, so there's your answer, worked out by hand. Let me show you a calculator. Now if we're going to do 4 and 1/8, depending on your calculator, you can either do 4 and then plus 1 divided by 8, 4.125, that's good, same answer. Or you can do 1 divided by 8 equals, and then plus 4 equals 4.125. So it really depends on your calculator whether it knows order of operations or not. This calculator does, so I can just do 4 plus 1 divided by 8. It'll divide the 1/8 first, then add 4. Some calculators won't do that correctly. You'll have to play around with yours and see which way works best for you. So you can see using a calculator or working out by hand, you get 4.125 for an answer.